regeneration of Lowestoft, or just a folly? We'll let you decide. Roll titles. Welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me outside the East Point Pavilion on the Royal Plain in Lowestoft, and what we're going to do is go over to fly over the South Pier, which is beside us just there, and then we're going to go and have a look at what they're doing, putting in the new fountains. There was fountains there before, but they're after 2020 they were taken offline, COVID restrictions, and never came back again. So they've got some more fountains going in, but a lot more smaller. And apologies for the wind noise. I haven't got the external mic with me today. And then we're going to fly down to more construction work where they're putting in a mugger. Well, the mugger's actually in down there, which is a sort of caged multi-use area. If you're unsure what a mugger is, then there's also other equipment going down there as well, so we're going to fly down there as well. So catch you at the end. Away for now. all done now. I realised after I'd done the outro there wasn't much on there really, and I didn't get in this which has been built, the Jubilee Parade, which is further down the seafront, another regeneration item, folly, whatever you like to call it. Recently in the press because it's gone over budget, which these things do all the time. I think it's like 4.3 of UK funding has been awarded to Jubilee Restaurant. The project will also seen 1.9 contributed by East Suffolk Council. Well, it's now 6 million apparently. And also, coming summer 2025, doesn't look like it now. Could well be after the First Light Festival, which that is in June, so I suppose not really the height of summer. Anyway, so we did the filming originally further down towards the East Point Pavilion, around the South Pier, etc., as you saw, and then we've come down to here, the Jubilee Parade work which they're doing, although it doesn't seem to be doing much at the moment. Possibly are though. Right, so as I said, couldn't do that one just in one video because there wasn't much really to be seen, so we added that one to the other one. So like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you think. Are these follies or are they nice regeneration of Lowestoft? I'm not going to give my thoughts either way, it's up to you. Right, like, comment, subscribe, you know the jazz. Bye bye for now.